today we'll be making Thai style Otah. So these are the ingredients. This seafood you must cook it first. And this is actually sweet basil leaf. This is chili paste, eggs, coconut milk, sugar, salt, fish sauce. This is like bergamot leaves. If you don't know, you can just go Google it, cause I also don't know what that is. It's like some extra chilies to make it look nice. And also, we have already prepared these little bowls to put in the otah. And for me, I love otah. Coconut milk. That's popping. The chili paste. Then we put in the excess coconut milk and stir. Actually, right, the amount of chili paste you put is actually based on how much spice you want. And if you are the person who don't really like spice, you can just add a little bit or not so much. And if you're the person who loves spice, just add like a whole lot. Then we add in some sugar and a pinch of salt. And continue to stir. Now we crack the eggs. It smells so nice. Oh, it's actually starting to form already. Can't wait to taste it. How does it taste? Oh, and the fish sauce to make it more better. Ooh, now the seafood. Boo! That's a lot of seafood with the prawns, the mussels, the fish, the small prawn, and the squid. Sotong, I think. Yeah, it's sotong. I feel hungry already. Ooh, basil. Sweet basils. It looks so delicious. I wanna taste it now, but we have to wait. It's not that spicy, cause I don't really want too spicy. If not, I'll go round and round taking cold water, drinking until I become full. I wanna eat it. Now, once it's done, we'll add it in these little bowls. To close it like that. And we have to kind of turn it over onto a plate and we cut it. Let's see the big reveal. Well, I can kind of see it. Ooh. Wow, looks so nice. Looks delicious too. Kind of satisfying too. decorate it with coconut milk. And we'll also add some chili on top to make it look nice and delicious. Now it looks very nice to eat. Stay tuned to the end because we're going to try. Okay, so let's try it. And get some rice. And some of this. It's so nice. But it's a little spicy. Like, I mean, not so little, but it's pretty much spicy. But it's good. If you want to try this also, you can try. And you can also put it like slower mode so that you can make it like, I don't know. Okay, so it's actually pretty nice and it's not too bad as well. But you can, lower the spice if you want. And subscribe to the channel, like this video, and goodbye.